Hello, everybody, and we are back with Reading of the Week with me, Ashwini Chube, and you're watching my channel. This week, we have chosen The Power of Surrender cards by Judith Orloff, and these cards are simply amazing because they talk about surrender. And currently, the situation which we are in, where everything is locked down and shut down, and people have had frantic messages and calls to me saying that, oh, I'm so afraid of what's happening. And my answer always has been surrender to what is. And once you surrender, we will understand how beautiful the world operates in, because manifestation is an equal balance between creation and surrender. So, the power of surrender card says that when you surrender, your your journey just becomes much better, because for the past 2 years, since 2018, when I was first introduced to the concept of surrender, my life has taken a complete new turn. You can watch my talk on surrender and read my article on surrender. I'll be sharing the links below this video. But the message which I'm trying to give in today's card reading is that, clients ask me, when will things happen? When will I get a job? When will I get married? When will I have children? The when is the whole aspect of not trusting the universe. And you're not just when you're asking when, you are not just putting a pressure on yourself, but you're also not trusting the universe, that the universe is offering something to you at its divine timing, which makes you outcome obsessed, and which makes you take the whole the entire burden on your shoulders. Surrendering is not giving up, or it's not giving in, or it's not leaving it totally. It means that you are operating in the flow with the universe. Gabriel Bernstein talks about this in a book, The Super Attractor, and I think it's one of the best things which I have ever started practicing. And hence, in today's card reading, the 3 cards which I gave you talk about the whole concept of surrender. So I think by now you have chosen one of the cards. If not, take a look at the cards which will appear in the window, and make a prayer, ask a question to the universe, what is it that you would like to know, and the card reading will follow after that. So over to the cards. So for this week's reading, we see 3 cards from the Power of Surrender cards. You can see number 1, 2 and 3. I want you to take a deep breath. Think of a question in your mind. Make a prayer to God Almighty, Creator, or any deity you believe in, and ask them to guide you to the first card. Trust your intuition. Do not overanalyze. Simply choose a card, whichever comes to your mind first. And here are your answers. If you chose card number 1, you're being told to surrender your belief in scarcity and instead believe in abundance. It's such a shame that we as human species have been told that we have to compete to get what we want, and we will not get the things which we desire unless we compete and snatch it from the person next to it. But what if I told you there is enough for everyone? There is enough for you, it is enough for the one next to you, and there is so much abundance that you do not have to compete with anyone. So believe in abundance and surrender your belief in scarcity. Card number 2 says surrender to non-action, which means after you have done your work and after you have worked enough, don't just keep chasing things by continuing to take action. You have taken the action. So after taking the action, the rest, do not chase. Let the things come to you magnetically. Raise your vibrations and practice non-action. Surrender that whatever you have asked for is coming to you. And instead of being obsessed with the outcome, completely surrender in faith. Allow what you desire to come to you. That, my friend, is the golden step of manifestation. And finally, the 3rd card says surrender your fear of change. How many of us resist change? How many of us are afraid of change? You can simply say an affirmation, I have faith that all is well. But you can simply also say, I am safe, it's only change. It is safe for me to accept the change and to go with what is going on. Change does not mean things are going to be bad. In fact, change could mean things are changing for the better. Your prayers are coming through to you, not in the way you imagine, but with something even better. So surrender your fear of change and let go. Well, this was the cards for this week. I hope these cards help you understand yourself and give you the right answer what you were looking for. For more on my work, log on to my Facebook page, facebook.com/Ashwini Chube Official, and official Facebook company page Unicorn Insight. Follow us on Instagram unicorn_insight. Subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button on the channel Ashwini Chube. And for more on my work, log on to www.unicorninsight.com. Thank you and see you next week. Bye bye.